Hi Intelligence, in this video I am showing how to use the LWC as a tab in Salesforce Org.
First, you need to edit your Lightning components. J's meta.xml file. Add target lightning _ tab syntax between target tags.
Go to your org, click on Setup icon, search tabs and click on it. Scroll down, you will find the Lightning Component tab section. Click on New. Select your custom Lightning component. Give name and select tab style. Click on Next. Scroll down and click on Save.
You can see the new tab is in the list of Lightning component tabs.
From your org, click on App Launcher. Search for the Lightning component tab that you created. Select the tab. You can see the Lightning component tab is in your org. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video.